Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is ICO, in full initial coin offering. As always, we line up the letters ICO and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. Let me put the camera properly. So we start with I is here, tap tap. I will be tap tap. Then C is here, long press tap, long press tap. C is long press tap, long press tap. Then O is here, long press, long press, long press. So O will be long press, long press, long press. Now let us get the phone and we put in these Morse codes. So as always, you click on the second item, which is Daily Cipher. Let me first take away. So let us click on Daily Cipher. And then we put in the Morse code. So we start with I, which is tap tap. Then C, long press tap, long press tap. Then O, long press, long press, long press. And the word is ICO, or initial coin offering. Click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video.